a non-math student and I'm not that comfortable with algebra. Other part of quants I'm still okay with, but algebra मुझसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं बनती है.
Well, Shikha, if I have to understand your problem, I think it is not just your problem, but a lot of students who may be writing it the CAT exam for the first time, या बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो जिनका मैथ्स बैकग्राउंड नहीं था, who are नॉन इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स, दे
हम्म.
फेस द सेम प्रॉब्लम. तो ये सिर्फ आपका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आई थिंक ये बहुत सारे एस्पिरेंट्स का प्रॉब्लम है, that they are not very comfortable with algebra. They might be comfortable with other parts of quant like arithmetic, but not with algebra.
Right.
So now how we are solving this problem is that Supergrads is coming up with the Algebra for Cat series on YouTube every day, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 10 p.m. for all the aspirants who would face this difficulty. And now let us understand that why it is important for you guys to cover algebra in your CAT syllabus.
But I have a counter question. So ऐसा नहीं कर सकते क्या हम कि मैं algebra altogether skip कर दूं and I can place my focus on other topics that are asked in quants?
See, in CAT, there is a thing that arithmetic and algebra, these two are the most important parts. Reason being, इनका weightage थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है. The
Mhm.
22 questions that we have in CAT. Now, if you observe this particular table, so इसमें over the years अगर हम देखेंगे तो CAT 2022, 2021, 2022 and 2023. So the weightage of algebra has never decreased to a great extent. Like you can expect 7 to 8 questions from algebra, just how you can expect 8 to 9 questions from arithmetic. So
Okay.
algebra का weightage कम नहीं हुआ है. In fact, it has only increased over the years. So that is the reason why we suggest students to even cover algebra with arithmetic strongly. तो उसका preparation भी उतना strong होना चाहिए. To all the students out there, I would want you guys, if you want to pause the screen and you can want to take the screenshot, you can take the screenshot of this particular thing and you can note down कि हर साल algebra के कितने questions आए हैं, like क्या trend रहा है. So this is the trend. So 8 questions you can see कि क्या 2022 में slot 1, slot 2 and slot 3 में you had 9 questions. तो ये भी पता नहीं है कि आपको कौन सा slot हो सकता है. 2023 में we had 7, 7, 7 in all the three slots. So you can expect 7 to 8 questions from algebra. So that is the reason why it is important for us to study algebra thoroughly for the CAT exam.
Okay. So how exactly will this series help me or benefit me when I'm
Okay.
preparing for algebra?
Okay, that's a good question again. Now, here in this series, we are not only just covering the concepts, but we are also covering the questions for you guys. So, you would be understanding concepts for all the topics that we are covering. Topic wise coverage will be there. There would be practice questions as well. Our faculties would be covering that. You will be also understanding कि algebra का level of difficulty as an important questions क्या होते हैं CAT exam point of view से. Again, type of questions that are asked, important tips which are very important for you guys to understand कि हर topic से related what do I need to, how much do I need to cover the concepts and how many questions do I need to practice. Next, again, CAT exam hai, so we also need to be time bound to a lot of things. So it is important to understand the shortcut tricks as well. So you will even get that from this particular series.
Okay.
So here is the schedule for the series that we are covering for algebra. So the series has already started from 3rd June. You might have observed on our channel, on our CAT channel. The playlist link would be there in the description box. You can check that out later. So we have started with algebra basics, the basic foundation that you need to understand. Linear equations, you'll be having quadratic equations, you'll be having logarithm, you'll be having special equation, indices and surds, another important topic. Then you'll be having inequalities, modulus, sequences, and series. Now, this series would be, as I mentioned previously, also every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 10 p.m. on our YouTube channel. So make sure that you do attend it and you do not miss out any session. Okay, Shikha, so I hope now your doubts are cleared and you've understood that why you need to study algebra for CAT.
Of course. Thank you so much, Neelam, for this session. And if you have any other doubts, please make use of the comment section below. Apart from that, the playlist for these series, not just algebra for VA, RC for DI, LR, you can also find in our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Yes, the link is there in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Thank you.